I think it was really fun, and we had to manage our time really well because when you get into Tsukiji, all these shops are there, and you just want to buy everything, you want to look at everything, but we only had 2 hours. So we had to keep on a tight schedule, and we kind of had to have a plan for what we were going to make, how we were going to make it, whether we were going to use more like raw ingredients or if we were going to cook.
The most memorable part is that I actually don't know about those names for both English and also in Japanese. Yeah. So for me, it's like my teammate always help everything to prepare for those food.
It was a great experience for me, and it was also great that we can experience Japanese culture while doing the team building and strengthen our team building power while doing the cooking. So it was a very valuable experience for me.
Product was really good. I mean, if I go around looking at different tables, everyone was kind of preparing the dishes very interestingly, and they look delicious. I really enjoyed this whole experience, and I think I've learned a lot from the different groups of how we are all working together as team, and even helping one another from one team to another, like sharing some of the things that we have bought and passing on to other people. So yeah, this is really interesting.